Welcome back to FinderLabs. I'm Ellis. Today we're going to look at our 7F series of filter fans, part of our thermoregulation along with the heaters and the thermostats. Let's head over here and take a closer look. All right, here we are. Let's crack into one of our 7F filter fans. So here in the box, we've got, of course, our fan, along with some mounting hardware. All of our fans have an easy snap-in connection, but we've got some additional anchoring hardware in the box. And then there's also a handy cut sheet. So you've got templates for all the sizes there, and that lets you understand your dimensions of your cutout. The fan itself here, so we've got it sort of your standard case gray, along with a black case. So you can use that on both the fan itself and also on any vented grills that you might have on the case. Easy to open and get into the filter medium itself, easily replaceable by the user. All that is accessed here from the outside of the case. So that's just a quick snap there. Our fans are UL listed, not just UL recognized. So they're UL listed type 12, along with your standard CE rating, and they're an IP54 rating, some common questions that we get. The motor on the fan is rated for 50,000 hours, so you can run this continuously for almost 6 years if you'd like to do it that way, or if you'd like to regulate it, you can pair it up here with one of our 7T series thermostats for some easy regulation of when you need that fan kicking on. We're gonna go do a quick install. I'll show you how that snap fits into a case, and we'll talk a little bit more about the sizes of fans that we offer. All right, so we're gonna install this 7F real quick in this panel. You can see we've already got our cutout. We followed our cutout sheet that we saw earlier. This is the 4-inch cutout. We've also got a 6, 8, 10, and 12. On our 10-inch and 12-inch fans, we've also got two motor sizes, sort of a high flow and a low flow. So here we're going to go ahead and disconnect our little wiring harness. I'll show you why that's so key in a moment. Then we're gonna fit our fan here into its spot. Now this can just snap right into place, but I wanna show you, we've also got these holes drilled that were on our cutout sheet. And we've got a spot here in our fan where we can add that additional anchoring with these screws and washers that we had in the box. So that's an additional bit of security if you'd like to install it that way, but it's easy as a snap fit as well. So we'll lock that into place and we'll get to the other side of the panel and I will show you the wiring. All right, here we are on the inside of the panel, ready to wire this fan up. So we got it snap fit into place. And then I want to show you a neat trick with this wiring harness. So as you saw, I disconnected it when I was snap fitting this in from the outside. Having it disconnected is also an advantage because it gives you a little more reach. When you're trying to get to your wires, you got your fan wedged up into the corner here and it's a tricky install. This just gives you a little more flexibility. And then we just have these easy push-in connectors. So we're going to just push our wires into place and they'll lock in and hold nicely. And then I can just snap that wiring harness back where I need it. So that gives you an easier install on the inside of the panel. Up here in the corner, we've got our exhaust version of our fan. We also have a draw-in version. So this would be our 7F21, and a 7F20 is your draw-in. You can double these up in a case and get a little more airflow moving. You almost double your airflow, 10 or 15% less than double. You also have the option, as we have installed here, to have just the passive vented grill. So that's another simple way to do it. So we'll be drawing in through that passive grill, exhausting out the top, and we are ready for business to keep this panel at the right temperature. So that's the 7F series of filter fans from Fender. If you want to learn more, give us a call, and we're happy to talk with you.